guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it has been such a long time since I have talked to you guys and have put anything out there, but here I am back with another Get Ready With Me. So it is fall. I am so excited. It is my favorite season out of all the four. I just love the nice chill weather. I love the colors changing. Hopefully Florida will get that soon. It's getting there. It's just slowly getting there. I mean, it's still 80s, like 90s, but eventually we'll get there. Anywho, many of you guys are probably like, where has this chick been? Well, as many of you guys know, I did the Disney College program from January to May, working in Frontierland at Pecos Bill. Yeehaw! So, after my program, I decided to extend. I really love working for Disney, and so I decided to extend, and I got my extension and ended up working in Tomorrowland and ESPN. So my roles were attractions and guest operations. In Tomorrowland, I did Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor and Carousel Progress, which were so fun because they were theater. It was really chill and very relaxing, nothing too intense like Pecos. And then ESPN was even better. Like, I got to watch sports all day. That's all I really did, and help guests. But really, everyone was taking care of themselves because there's like vendors there helping them too. But I actually did some work, I promise you. After my program, I decided to stay in Florida, and I got a part-time role at Be Our Guest in Magic Kingdom. Yay! So going to my fall look, I decided to do a mauve, like reddish smoky eye situation going on. I wanted to use colors that everyone would have in a palette that they don't have, like me. I forgot to mention in my video, I am using the Jaclyn Morphe palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. I am going to start making videos where I am only going to use the palettes that I have. I personally don't have the money to continue to buy palettes that are out and new. I would so love to film that, but at this time in my life, I don't want to spend money on palettes that are new and upcoming that I have the colors for, you know? That's what makeup's all about. It's all about being creative, using what you have, and seeing what you can make out of it. So that's just what I'm going to be doing for you guys. So if you don't have the palette I have, no worries, just find something similar and we can go off with that. So I just try to use similar colors like I said, and I hope you guys can succeed this look. And so let's get ready.
Before going to this makeup look, I am starting off with skincare. It is so important to start off with skincare, that way your makeup has a nice base to start off with. So I'm taking this Truth Serum by Henrickson. I'm applying this all over my face, and I absolutely love this set that I got by them. It's like an orange set. It's called Let's Get Luminous. It includes the serum, and then the next product that I'll be using is the Banana Eye Cream, which I absolutely love. It's yellow undertone, and it gets rid of my dark circles, and it makes my eyes look really good. I have been getting like really bad irritation in the corner of my eyes, I guess from doing eyeliner or something. I don't know. Bacteria, all that stuff. But after using this product, it has really helped the inflammation to go down. The next item I'm going to be using is the Sea Rush Brightening Moisturizer. I'm telling you guys, I cannot rave about this moisturizer. I don't know what it is, but my skin is so sensitive, and I'm surprised my skin has not broken out yet, knock on wood. But after using this moisturizer, I love using this like in the daytime and the nighttime, but especially before bed. I wake up the next morning and my face is so hydrated. Like, before I wash my face, I can still feel that the product's on there. Not that it's a bad thing, but my face is that hydrated. That moisturizer is locking into my skin. The next product I'm be picking up is Vaseline. Yes, that is right, Vaseline. I love using this. I like to have my lips stay hydrated while I'm putting on my makeup, so I just use this before I put on my actual lipstick because I don't want chapped lips. That's disgusting. To use as a base on my eyes, I am taking the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline in the shade Golden. I'm just putting this all over my lids. That way I can have nice color correction, and that way my eyeshadow can come on seamlessly. Then I'm going to be picking up the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and setting my eyes with it. To start off this makeup look, I'm picking up the shade M.F.E.O. from the Jaclyn Morphe palette. It is one of my favorite transition shades to work off of. I think it works really well. So I'm going to be applying this above my crease to create an illusion that I have bigger eyes, because I have really small eyes and they're hooded as well. So you got to work with it. And here we go. Next, I'm going to be picking up the shade Pooter, and yes, that's what it's called. It's a darker orange brown shade, and I'm going to be working this on the outside corner of my eye, working it into my crease. The next shade I'm going to be picking up is Roxanne. I really didn't know where I was going with this look, honestly. I wanted to create something red and orange, but then I started picking up this color and I was like, oh my gosh, my eyes look really dark. But honestly, in the end, it looks really nice because it gave me that definition and gave me the look that my eyes look bigger. I really like the colors that I use, and I mean, that's what it's all about. It's about improving, just figuring out what you like, what you don't like. And I actually like this look. I was going out of my comfort zone, honestly. The next shade I'm going to be picking up is called Jacz. I don't really know. Jacz. But anyways, I'm going to be adding this into the inner corner of my eye, working into my crease. And guys, I am so surprised with myself. Like, these are the colors I would never use. Like, you would be so surprised. I love this though. It's so nice, it's simple, and it's easy to do, and it's something that you guys can do as well. Next, I'm going to be picking up a clean blending brush and just going to be blending this all out, just making sure there's no harsh lines or any demarcation. So I'm taking this beauty tool and I'm taking the shade Queen, and I'm going to be applying it in the inner corner of my eyes and just right outside of the tear duct area. You guys know me, I love glitter. It gives a pop, it gives that pop look. Like, I don't know, it's just so nice. It makes the eyes look awake, it looks brighter. It's just so beautiful, and it screams fall. Next, I'm going to be picking up my all-time favorite eyeliner, the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and I'm going to be applying my eyeliner in small strokes, as you can tell. Every time I try and film it, it's hard because every time I try and look down into a mirror, I end up cutting myself off, so you guys can barely see it right now still. And so it's hard for me to explain what I'm doing, but I do my eyeliner backwards, so it might not be the best tutorial of me showing you this, but I still got my eyeliners on fleek, just saying. So to use my lashes today, I am using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Like, hello, why haven't I found this product way sooner? I absolutely love this mascara. It's literally the best mascara I've ever used. It separates my lashes and it gives them length. Like, hello. Also, I forgot to add in my falsies that I used in here, but it's coming up in the next clip. And I used the Opulent Eyelure lashes. Hello, va va voom. To start off my face, to use as a base, haha, that rhymed. I'm picking up the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is the hydrating one that they created, and I love it. Because, you know, your girl got some crusty skin at this time, but it's really helped. I always am a big fan of the Benefit Professional, but sometimes it does not give me the moisture that I need to keep my skin hydrated. So I am using this as my base. For my choice of foundation, I am using the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and let me tell you, this foundation is literally long lasting. And I am not a full coverage girl, but living in Florida, my makeup be melting off, so this foundation literally has helped it, and it's not heavy at all for a full coverage foundation. And I love how it looks. Like, it makes my skin look so seamless. Like, hello. For my choice of concealer, I am taking Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind in both sand and golden. So for the lighter shade golden, I am applying that in the highlighted points of my face, you know, like the bridge of my nose, my forehead, right underneath my eyes, and then my chin area. And I also put it where I have redness. So then I'm going to take sand And then I'm going to be applying that right underneath the highlighted points underneath my eyes, just so that I have like better color pigmentation, if that makes sense. That way my face doesn't look too bright whenever I am taking pictures. No flashbacks, please. Then I'm just going to be picking up my beauty blender and blending all this out. To set and bake my face, I'm picking up the Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, on my nose, because I sweat there and my foundation tends to fall off, so we don't want that, especially in the Florida heat. So I'm going to be baking my nose, and then I'm going to be puffing out my face where my smile lines are, because I tend to crease there, because your girl likes to smile, so there's nothing wrong with that, but I do crease a lot there. Moving on to brows, I am picking up Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the shade Ebony. I'm going to be picking up the darker shade in this duo and going to be working from the middle of my brow towards the end of my tail. So as you guys can see, I start from the middle and start dragging it so I can create the shape of my tail, and then I'll start filling it in. So I'm going to be picking up this light brown shade, and I'm going to be marking it right underneath the beginning of my brow to create my brow shape. And as you can tell, I'm going to be distributing this product evenly by creating light brow strokes up towards my forehead. That way my brows can look a little bit natural and that the product's not too clumped up. Once I'm done with my brows, I'm going to be taking this kabuki brush and just wiping off all the excess powder from baking, just so we can have a nice base now and that our face is all set. To warm up my face with, I am picking up the Fenty Beauty Island Ting bronzer. Oops, I just dropped my brush. But yeah, I'm going to be picking up this product and applying it in my cheekbones, just chiseling it out. And then I'm going to be applying this on my forehead. And then I'll be applying it on my jawline. You want to do that 3 shape. That way your face is all bronzed up. Then I'm just going to be picking up this kabuki brush and just blending everything out towards my hairline and like towards the back of my neck. That way everything's all blended out, no harsh lines, everything looks seamless, and that we're bronzy. Contour my nose, I'm just going to be picking up the Fenty Beauty Island Ting again and just going to be drawing straight lines right down my nose. And then I'll be connecting it down towards the end of my nose, connecting it. That way it looks like I have an illusion of a smaller, skinny nose, because your girl's nose is wide. It needs to be slim. To blend my contour out, I'm picking up this dense eyeshadow brush and just going to be blending. That way I have no harsh lines, no demarcation. I don't want any of that. Do you see all that? We are blending that baby out. For my choice of blush, I'm picking up NARS's Orgasm blush. It is so pretty. It has a little shimmer in it. So I'm going to be applying this on the apples of my cheek and working it towards my contour, blending it all in. My last and favorite part, highlighter. So I'm picking up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mercier highlighter, which is no longer for sale. It's discontinued right now. It's so beautiful. I love this highlighter. I'm so glad that I picked like 4 of them when they were still in stock. So I'm just be applying all over this. Another nice dupe for this highlighter would be the Milani highlighters. I love those. They're really good, very pigmented too. So, ooh, we got some lipstick coming on. So I picked the NYX Lingerie in the shade French Maid. I absolutely love NYX's lipstick line, like especially the lingerie one. The formula is so good, super creamy, doesn't make my lips dry at all. So I'm going to be applying this all over my lips. And once I'm done with the look, I'm going to be applying the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray just to set that face, because you know we be sweating out here in Florida. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my look. If you guys did, make sure you give that video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in another video. Mwah.